जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 9th chapter राजविद्या राजगुह्य योगमु 18th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that Arjuna, I am the supreme goal of all living beings in this entire world. Arjuna, I am the supporter of everyone in this entire creation. I am the ruler of each and every one of you all. I am the witness, one who can directly perceive everything that is going on. Arjuna, I am the place, abode, house in which everyone can peacefully reside. Arjuna, I am the refuge of the entire universe. Arjuna, I am the friend of each and every entity in this entire creation. I am the origin. I am the preserver. I am the one who dissolves this entire creation. Arjuna, I am the imperishable seed of this entire creation. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma emphasizing upon his supremacy and also declaring that how many ways the enlightened people perceives, meditates upon Srimannarayana. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Gatir Bharta Prabhu Sakshi Nivasaha Saranam Suhrit Prabhavaha Pralayaha Sthanam Nidhanam Bijamavyayam. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if you do 8 things, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now, let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవసంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖయోగీంద్ర. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ సరస్వతీదేవి వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమద్భాగవతం తృతీయ స్కంధం, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Vidura asking Maitreya like this, O Maitreya, Mukunda Padaravindam Hrudayeshu Yesham. Those who always thinks about Sriman Narayana's divine Padaravindam, divine lotus feet, they are great devotees, and learning about those great devotees makes our life fruitful and purposeful. Oh Maitreya, I heard that if we get to learn about great devotees, whatever that we have learned, the fruit of that learning will come only by understanding, learning about great devotees. That is what I heard from scholars. Oh Maitreya, that is why I am requesting you to tell me about the history of Swayambhuva Manu. Like that, when Vidura asked Maitreya saying like this, O Vidura, from Chaturmukha Brahma, Swayambhuva Manu came out along with his wife. Now that Swayambhuva Manu praying Vedagarbha Chaturmukha Brahma like this, O Vedagarbha, please tell me what seva I can do to you. Iha yeso vishvak amutracha bhavet gatihi. What kind of actions, what kind of activities gives us good fame in this world, and what kind of activities gives us the ultimate abode, that is Paramapadam. Please tell me about that kind of activity, that kind of karmacharana, so that I can perform those activities as your service. Swayambhuva Manu asked Chaturmukha Brahma like this. O Vidura, when Swayambhuva Manu asked like that, Chaturmukha Brahma responding to Swayambhuva Manu, saying that, O Raja, Dharaniswara, I feel so happy that you yourself volunteering to do my seva. It is pleasing me a lot. The way of that you are approaching me, it is pleasing me a lot. Like that, Chaturmukha Brahma about to tell Swayambhuva Manu what to do. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. ముకుందమాల కృష్ణో రక్షతు నో జగత్రయగురుః కృష్ణం నమస్యామ్యహం. కృష్ణేనామరశత్రవో వినిహతాః కృష్ణాయ తస్మై నమః. కృష్ణాదేవ సముత్థితం జగదిదం కృష్ణస్య దాసోऽస్మ్యహం. కృష్ణే తిష్టతి విశ్వమేతదఖిలం హే కృష్ణ సంరక్ష మాం. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 9th చాప్టర్ 18th శ్లోక. గతిర్భర్తా ప్రభుః సాక్షి నివాసః శరణం సుహృత్ ప్రభవః ప్రళయస్థానం నిధానం బీజమవ్యయం. గతిర్భర్తా ప్రభుః సాక్షి నివాసః శరణం సుహృత్ ప్రభవః ప్రళయస్థానం నిధానం బీజమవ్యయం. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.